Hello, you're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to remove acne scars fast naturally using these effective home remedies. I used these home remedies for 2 weeks and it worked for me. So I'm going to show you the ingredients you're going to use. The first ingredient is cucumber. Cucumber has a mid-brightening properties that will help to fade out acne scars and lighten the skin. You just have to grate the cucumber to extract the juice. And the second ingredient is aloe vera. Aloe vera is very rich in antioxidants, which helps to fade acne scars, acne marks, and it helps to give a glowing skin. So you just have to extract the gel of the aloe vera. Remove the bag and extract the gel. These gels can be added to cream. You can just use only the gel. So you have to extract the aloe vera gel. After you have extracted the gel, then you have to add another ingredient, which is lemon. That is the third ingredient you're going to add. So you're going to measure this lemon with a spoon just to get the little quantity you need. Just add 2 spoonfuls of it because lemon is acidic, so you have to make use of just little of it. After you have added lemon, then you have to get a moisturizing ingredient, which is honey. Honey helps to moisturize the skin. It will help to smooth the skin. It will also help to heal the skin. So you just have to add 1 spoonful of raw honey to the mixture. After you have added the raw honey, then you see the ingredients together. Then apply it all over your face. Anywhere you have acne scars on your body, you will have to apply it all over your face. Repeat the process daily for 2 weeks. You might start seeing results anytime. Skin differs. Your own might be quicker than the others, so you just have to use it. Leave it on your skin for 20 minutes before washing it off with cool water. Subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.